Wagyu beef. Wagyu cubes. What is up sa inyo mga kaibigan? Dito kami ngayon sa secret place because this is tawag nito gatekeep namin tayo. Pero hindi naman talaga kami yung original dito. So shout out sa friend namin na nag-introduce sa amin dito. Pero if you happen to know this place, and comment mo na lang kung kilala mo. Hinatid namin si Regina, yung ate ko, si attorney sa airport because she was with us for 2 days. 4 days in total. Nag-crave ka na talaga, no?
Oo, last year pa, December.
Last year pa.
Kasi supposedly dito tayo mag-dinner for our wedding anniversary. Second wedding anniversary. Kaso lang, nakakapagod taking care of a newborn at that time.
Yes, that's so true.
Sobrang nakakapagod talaga. So, going outside is your least priority.
Mapakita ko sa inyo, men, ano yung mga paborito namin dito. Talaga namang napaka-solid. Kung napapansin nyo, yung ating orientation ngayon is naka-landscape. And I'm sorry if I'm trying to make it as a YouTube vlog. Pero, nag-upload din naman ako sa YouTube. Pero nga, mas merong, hindi naman din masama siguro mag-cross-upload di ba? Tsaka, if you intend to upload, why not i-upload mo sa lahat ng social media platform. Man, look at this drink. I will show you. Look at the drink, man. Ang sarap nito, man. If you know this place, you should order this. This is basil yuzu. Basil, titikman natin ngayon, man. We will pour the broth, man. Let's go. Out of everything here, man, this is my favorite talaga, bay. This one, man, is the grilled octopus salad, pare. Still the best, man. Wow, man. Look at that. Mashed potatoes. Grilled octopus, man. This salad is top notch, man. Merong avocado, merong lettuce, merong kamatis. The dressing, super solid, man. Pan, man. Yes. Suave.
Samantalang ang Deo dito ay sigaw ng sigaw.
Wagyu beef. Wagyu cubes. Ang sarap. Wagyu. Between what? This ramen.
And yung last na kinain natin.
Saan ba yun?
Nasa Matina.
Sarap to. I figured na ganyan na pala na angle, man. Saka tinanggal ko yung fish lens. Meron kasi yung fish eye lens eh. Para mas malayo. Gamit ko pa to, 2017. Nahanap ko lang. Amazing, right? Octopus. Pwede ba? Mashed potatoes. Time together muna kami.